In this video, I'll guide you through how to lock your Facebook profile. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. Before I start the tutorial, let me show you my profile. You see, there is no profile lock option. Let me show you how to get that. After coming to your homepage, you click on this menu icon and scroll down and expand Settings and Privacy and tap on Settings. After coming to Settings and Privacy page, you scroll down and click on Post. Now tap on Who can see your future post and choose Friends and click the Save button. Now again go to your home page and tap on your profile. Now click on this heart icon and click on Turn off professional mode. Click on Continue and then Turn off. Now click on this Close button. Now refresh this page. Then you will find a profile lock option will appear here. Now click on it and tap on Lock your profile. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily lock your Facebook profile.